Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
So first you're going to want to fill a medium-sized saucepan up 3/4 of the way up with water and throw it on a burner on high. Next, get your plant-based meat. You can use any kind you like. I'm using the Sweet Earth Awesome Grounds. Then throw your meat in a skillet and brown it on medium-high heat. Next, I'm adding a little salt to the water to improve texture and flavor. Now, go ahead and season your meat however you like. I'm just adding basil because I like the flavor of the Awesome Grounds on their own. Once your water is boiling, you'll want to add your noodles. I added about 2 cups of rigatoni noodles. Give those a nice stir to prevent them from sticking and let them cook. Once your noodles are cooked, go ahead and strain the noodles and set them aside. Next, you're going to take a jar of marinara sauce and add that to a saucepan. I'm using the Newman's Own marinara. Then you'll want to add your vegan Alfredo. I'm using the Primal Kitchen No Dairy Alfredo. If this is something that's not available in your grocery store, I will leave a link below for an Alfredo sauce that you can make at home instead. Now, mix the 2 sauces together really well until you get a nice sauce that is an orange color. Now, grab a baking dish. You'll want to lay down a thin, even layer of noodles in the bottom of the dish. Now pour your sauce on the layer of noodles until they are coated to your liking. Next, place down a thin layer of meat on top of the sauce and repeat the process until you're all out of ingredients. Now, once your noodles are all coated, cover the dish with tinfoil and throw it in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. Once it's been cooking for 30 minutes, take it out of the oven and cover it with the cheese of your choice. Throw it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. I left the tinfoil on for about 5 minutes and took it off for the remaining 10. So this is the end result of my recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye! See you guys next time.